Do you capture behind the scenes or BTS during your photo shoots? Let's get into why photographers and videographers need BTS for their business. Welcome back, it's your boy Simon Khalil. I appreciate you for joining me on another one. Let's talk about why you need behind the scenes for your business. Creators for small businesses use this behind the scenes to promote themselves. Self-promotion is by far the best thing that's on my Instagram. My Instagram's right here down below. It's a big part of my content daily. Now, Simon, I don't have anybody to record me or anything like that. You don't necessarily need anybody to record you. And when I mean BTS, it's not just BTS of you shooting, but it's also, let's say, BTS of the model that you're shooting. That can come in very handy when it's time to show models what you could do or show clients what you could do. Using something like a GoPro or an Insta360 camera, which I highly recommend because you could just set it and forget it. This is probably my favorite behind the scenes camera that I have. And if you have none of those, everybody damn sure has one of these. Using your phone can get you a lot of BTS and you don't have any excuses. Let me explain how you use behind the scenes for self-promotion. Creating a post or a short form video showing what your gear looks like. How do you have people posing? What are some of the ideas that you have for small businesses, how they can gain more business on their socials? All of this is included in the behind the scenes. When it comes to BTS, honestly, like I said, it's one of my top things that I post all the time. You're not just showing that you're busy, you're showing that people actually want what you got. They want you to produce for them. If you own a business or you own a brand, self-promotion through content creation or content creation for others is a big thing right now. And I suggest you jump all over it because there's a lot of money in it. And I know a lot of struggling artists such as photographers and videographers that are trying to get into business of photography or videography but don't want to go the wedding route. This is the way to go if you want to make exceptional money opposed to shooting weddings. Let me know your thoughts down below because I would love to get your ideas on this. Are you guys shooting content for small businesses or are you just shooting for your own self brand? Either way, it's worth it and it gives you content for yourself as well as the client for you to post and promote yourselves. Let me get your opinions down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.